Hello guys, there we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how you can properly refill all of the detergents in this device. So the first place is for the main detergent, so just put your capsule here. The next one it's for a rinse aid. You have to push it and pull up. Now you can choose the value for the rinse aid. After that, just close it up, and the place for the salt it's in this place. To refill it, just open the top and by the special element that you should find in your device, you can put in the salt inside. If you're doing it for the first time, refill the salt storage with the 1 liter of water. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.